Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop iCloud app opening on a startup of your Windows 11 system. If you want to stop as soon as you open Windows 11 system and iCloud will automatically open, then you can easily stop it. Simply right click on start button and choose task manager. You can easily stop iCloud opening on a startup through task manager. Choose task manager. Here task manager window will now open. Here from the left side go to startup apps. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here look for iCloud app opening on a startup. Simply you can type in search field, otherwise scroll down and choose iCloud. You can see enabled. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Now iCloud will not open when you open or turn on your Windows 11 system. That's all.